Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Beauty by Amor. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Today's tutorial will be a full install. It is actually the second install for this same hair. I actually dyed it and reinstalled this HD lace frontal wig from my line, Beauty by Amor. Check the description below for any details. I used all of my hair products in this video as well. This body after dyeing the hair, I think 3 times now. Look at this, beautiful. A little bit of body wave curls, baby hairs. Yes, I did my makeup prior to installing this wig, so yeah, let's jump right into the video. As you can see in this clip, I'm being very lazy. I should have customized my wig on a mannequin head prior to putting it on. However, this is a freshly washed, used wig. I washed it, I dyed it in a pretty auburn color, and then I put the wig on after doing the ball cap method, which I'm showing you in the small clip above. I decided not to insert a full ball cap method tutorial because I didn't want the video to be way too long. So if you would like that video separate, please let me know in the comments below. Right now I am blow drying the glue, and then I also used lace tint in the inside of the wig, and then I applied makeup on the ball cap itself. If you did not apply enough glue to your hairline, please go ahead and go back in and apply more glue. Sometimes you apply the glue too far back, so then you have to go back in because some of the lace did not get any glue on there. So that's what you see me doing right now in this clip of the video. I allow it to dry and then I put another layer. I think in this video I put 2 layers on my wig. So I'm just going back in and applying 2 layers. Right now I'm just shifting the wig around just to ensure that it's in the right place. So that's what you will see me doing in this video. And then I go ahead and tie it down.
do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why
my baby hairs were already formed from the last install. However, you can always improve on your last install. You may want less baby hairs or more baby hairs this time. So just improvise a little bit and make sure that you cut your baby hairs the way that you want to wear them. Today I am doing baby hairs on both sides. A little dramatic, but sort of thin, not thick. However, they look very natural and soft.
what you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I did go ahead and flat iron my hair off camera because that took way too long. You saw the wig was in a complete mess. So it took a little while for me to hot comb and flat iron my hair. However, you do want to use heat protectant. Please use heat protectant before applying any heat to your hair. Please protect your hair. Please protect your scalp. I do have a skin guard protectant that I use on my hair prior to applying any adhesives to my hairline. Now I am going in with my hair product from my line, my styling mousse, to shape my baby hairs into place. Please work fast during this process, because if you don't, and if you're not comfortable and you take too long, the mousse will lose, it will lift your lace. The mousse can definitely lift your lace if you don't work fast and hurry up and tie it down, dry it, go under the dryer for about 15 minutes, or use a blow dryer on high heat and then cool air for about 15 minutes. That's what usually works for me.
You, let me cater to you, let me cater to you. I wanna let you know, you let you know that I admire what you do. I want me to reassure you, my life would be purposeless without you. If I wanted, I'm gonna ask you, you inspire me to be better, challenge me for the better. What do you let me cater to you? Say you go, turn my game on. I'll worship you, I'll put you in the bed. I wanna put you in.
you don't feel comfortable using the mousse and you would like to use a gel because you are afraid of the mousse lifting up your lace, that is okay. I have a gel on my website that I actually used in this video above. If you watch this video, which is the video that is prior to this one, it will show you how I mold my baby hairs using my gel on my website. You can purchase it on my website. You can purchase all products on my website, www.beautybymore.com.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
This is not the best curl tutorial. I just threw some curls in this hair. This is not the way you are supposed to curl your hair. You can do it in sections. You can do it on the mannequin. I should have applied more spray. I should have definitely done it in sections. However, it still came out cute. However, the curls did drop because I did not hold on to the curls long enough, and I did not apply spray the way I was supposed to. I should have went to sleep with flexi rods. However, I want to try some wand curls, which you will see in a clip in this video, or crimps.
I want the
just combing out those baby hairs. I may cut them a little bit if I want them shorter. Now is the time to cut your baby hair shorter while it's dry. Look how soft and beautiful those baby hairs are. You always want to wait until they're dry to customize them the way that you want to wear them. You can use scissors or you can use your razor to cut them a little bit shorter and shape them the way that you want to wear them.
Thanks for staying to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed my beautiful tutorial. I have more content to show you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Beauty by Amore.